Ready? We want to rationalize this particular denominator. So before we rationalize the denominator, we shall first of all square this particular denominator because there's a square here. So when you have 2 plus the root of 5 squared, this one is same as 2 plus root of 5 multiplied by 2 plus the root of 5. We use one bracket to expand the other one. So we shall have 2 into 2 plus the root of 5 plus the root of 5 into 2 plus the root of 5. Now 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 times this is 2, the root of 5 plus root 5 by 2 is 2, the root of 5 plus root 5 by root 5 is 5. So we have 4 plus 5. The answer is 9 plus 2 plus 2. 2 root of 5 plus 2 root of 5. The answer is 4 root of 5. Now, this is the denominator after we expand it here. Now, what is our new fraction is now 9 plus 4 the root of 5. Now, what happens next? Now, we rationalize. When you are rationalizing, you change this sign. Then you multiply by both the numerator and the denominator. So when the sign will change, if this is positive, now we have 9, take away 4, the root of 5. Out of 9, take away 4, the root of 5. Now that is what we have. We multiply the denominator and we multiply that. So we shall have 9 into 9, open bracket, 9 take away 4, the root of 5, plus 4, the root of 5, into bracket, 9 take away 4, the root of 5. 9 times 9 is 81, minus 9 multiplied by 4 is 36, the root of 5, plus 4 by 9 is 36, the root of 5. Then 4 by 4, the answer is, it will be take away, the answer is 65 by the root of 5, the answer is 5, so you multiply the 2, like that. Now, we simplify, we collect like terms, negative 36 root 5 plus 36 root 5, so this one and this one will go. Now we have 81 minus 16 by 5, the answer is 80. 16 by 5, the answer is 80, giving us here 1. Now, after we go to the 1 here now, we come back here and now say our solution will be 9 take away 4, the root of 5, out of 1, which is same as 9 take away 4, the root of 5. And this becomes our solution.